So here I have published the SAP SD course content that our training institute is offering. I will show you what are the things we are covering in SAP SD, and we will start from what SAP SD is. We will provide you a full background of what exactly SAP SD means and intends to do if you are new to this SAP field. These are the agenda that we are going to cover in our training program. That is, we are going to start with introductions and then master data. Then you can go and cover the basic functions, sales document controls, shipping process, billing process, that is the OTC. So point 4, point 5, and point 6 is the OTC cycle, you can say. So it is in a detailed session. Each and every configuration will be covered. Uh, then special business processes in SAP SD. So these will be some of the advanced uh, process which you can think of, and then additional topics. So additional topics is very much interesting. I will show you what we are going to cover in topic 7 and 8 as well in my slides. Okay. So in introduction, we will start with the overview, and then we will discuss about the enterprise structure and then connections. So connections with GTS, like I am also running into a GTS module videos, so you will get to know how to connect it with SAP GTS, a basic overview of that. And then here we have the master data, so we will cover the master data from customers. We will cover the material as well, customer master info record, what exactly it means to when it means in SAP as well as to the business world, the condition master data and the outbound master data. So we are going to tell you about how you are going to push those data from SAP system to a third party system or a to non-SAP system using the interface functionality, using manual push or using change pointer as well. So change pointer is nothing but it is it is automatically triggering all those customers or material data, master data whenever there is a relevant change. So you don't have to push it manually each and every time. You do the push of all these master data once from your system, and then even then anytime if there is any change in these master data critical fields, it will get automatically being interfaced to those third party systems or third party vendors automatically using the change pointer concept. Okay, so we are going to cover all these things in details, so don't worry about that. So all the configuration that needs to be done for customers for material master setup, the mandatory fields and data push as well as change pointer. The basic function in SAP SD will involve the pricing, so we will going to spend a good amount of time over the pricing module. So this is very much important from SD point of view. We are going to discuss each and every thing under this pricing, from section fields to condition techniques to price determination and how to configure the reports. You can build your own reports, right? So this is one of the good thing that we have standard in SAP. We can use this. mm, we don't have to use customized report. You can just use a standard pricing reports and configure that for your own business sake. Okay. For delivery scheduling, also we are going to cover all the details of the delivery process from forward, backward, and what are the important fields and the setup that is required when we are going to create a delivery. The output determination is important for both all the sales documents, delivery and billing documents when we are going to interface these with the third party system. Uh, okay, so this model is pretty much vast and I will try to cover it each and every steps. Okay, so here we have the sales process. We will start with sales process. This is the OTC. So we will first providing you the brief about the sales process. The important is the number range, which also we are covering in detail, in depth. That is one of the key requirement, and many of the institute miss that. Beside that, the all the pre-sales activity and the sales document control we are going to cover. This is a delivery process, which where we are going to do the delivery as well as picking and packing, as well as PGI, and then we are going to cover the shipment. Additionally, we are also going to cover the proof of delivery. Okay, and then we have the billing process in SAP SD. Here we have all the important billing documents, copy controls, that is uh, controlling all those parameters that needs to be copied to our invoices. Okay, the jobs, the billing due list jobs and all, revenue account determination from the finance perspective. What are the things that you need to understand? Okay, also we are going to cover the rebate agreement processing. So that is an advanced topic. A special business process, and here it is consignment. That is a very important one, and it is mostly being asked by various organizations as well as during the interview time. We have intercompany sales, the intercompany scenarios. We will try to cover the intercompany STO as well. The credit management, which is getting changed into a sort overview on S4 HANA as well, how the credit management is getting changed with the S4 HANA. Then the third party order processing. Additional topics we have is ALE distribution models. So what are the things that we need to do in the system to set up an IDOC configurations, all the things, important things from the IDOC perspective. What is IDOCs, why it is needed, how we can set up all those from the starting from the distribution model to the change pointers and RFC connections. The background jobs, how to create a spools, not only the job, but yeah, you have to create a job, then you can send those using the spool and create an email request. It can directly trigger an email with the list of a spool that has been generated. You can activate that report as well. How to activate those traces, that also we are going to cover that. And finally, the SAP ABAP. So SAP ABAP is the troubleshooting that is needed from our side, from functional side, so that you don't need to depend on the technical for each and every issues. You can just debug your own custom and small programs. You can just have a good understanding on the user exits enhancements, where you have to just look and how to read the programs to able to understand the most of the customization that has been done for your business. And additionally, we are also offering the automation ideas. That is a very important thing which right now your organizations which with which you are working is looking into, and will definitely going to put a pressure on you to provide some automation ideas. That is also in our plan. So what are the things that we can automate in SAP SD beside the standard or the customization? What are the things that we can think about automating those? Overall, course duration will be from 35 to 40 hours, and we are, like I said in my previous videos as well, my training institute main aim is to provide a business case scenario with examples. And definitely we are focusing on, when we focus on the business understanding, business process understanding, you will be able to understand what SAP is intended to do, and mm, how it is an ease for the business, how the business process runs. You have a full understanding, and you can think about all those things on your own, the new automation ideas, as well as you don't have to memorize all those configuration. So that is the benefit of our course. Hope you all like the plan. Just go through it, the course content, and let me know if anything that you need to add. That also we have a provision, we can extend the hours and add those additional topics. I will just try to post some demo sessions to you on my coming videos, so that you can just have a look over those as well. And uh, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a frequent alert and of my new videos. And mm, please like my videos if you are really finding it interesting. Thank you all.